Well, hello everybody from the Granbury Cemetery. I had to stop and show you this gigantic oak tree. You know, everybody makes fun of Texas, saying we do it bigger here. But look how teeny tiny Angel is at the trunk of this tree. I mean, it has arms on it that are bigger than half of the trees in our neighborhood. This thing is gargantuan. Look at that, babe. I don't even think you can hold your arms out as wide as the width of the trunk of this tree.
I don't think so. It's huge.
Yeah. Yeah, just to prove to everybody, particularly the ones in Florida, that we still do it bigger here. Oh, look at that. It almost looks like it's several trees clustered together. Wow.
You hear that? That's a cardinal. I just seen it up there.
Wow. I think the largest oak tree ever in history is here in Texas as well. Wow. Ain't that something? Guys, have a great day.
See ya.
We'll see you soon.